Hello everyone. Let's take a look at Shippypro Shipping Integration Odoo app. This module connects your Odoo system with Shippypro, making it easy to manage shipments, print shipping labels, track packings, and sync order status across and multiple carrier, all from one platform. It is very simple way to streamline your shipping progress and improve your delivery effectively. Now, after installing our module, let's get into the inventory under the configurations where you can see and shipping methods. So this is the one which is automatically created after installing our module. So what we need to do is we need to give the API key. So based on that, we can get end courier and services. So it will automatically fetch all the courier and services over here. Now from here, we need to select and courier, and in this we need to select and courier services. So once everything is done, let's save this one. Now on the next tab, let's get into the sales and create a new sales order. Now let's click on the new option where we need to add a customer name. So over here we have added the customer name and then the product. So from here in the product, we need to mention height, width, and also a length. Okay, so once we have added, it will be take a price based on that. Now let's add a shipping. Now in this, let's add a ship pro and we can get the rate. So based on the height, width and length, it will take the price and we can confirm it. And from the delivery, in the other additional informations, you can see a tracking reference. Now let's validate this so it will get a tracking references over here. And here in this you can see and wait for the shipment is also taken based on the products that we have added. Now in this you can see a tracking references, and in the chatter you can see Shippypro shipping label. So once you click on that, so it will show you that to address from a sender address, and in this you can see the parcel information and also the contact details along with the references. And also it will send an SMS to them via, like, the tracking reference will be sent with them. And on the top you can see the tracking where you can see it will directly lead you to the Shippy Pro page where we can track based on the tracking number as well as the zip code. And in the same there you can see and cancel option to cancel it if needed. So it will open a wizard for a confirmation, so then it will be cancelled, and you can see the cancel status over here in the log note too, and you can see who will be cancelled and the timing also seen on the top. So now if you need to send the same thing to the shipper again, so you can just click on this option again to send the parcel to the shipper. So it will again create and tracking references. So let's see, so where you can see the tracking references, yes, and there you can see and the new shipping label. So if you get into that, where you can see the references will be different from the older one. Now like the same way, let's publish the same into the website. Okay, now let's get into the website, and from here we need to get into the shop, and let's add the product into the cart. Okay, now we can see the product will be there. Now let's check out, and over here we need to select and Shippy Pro, and then we can just pay now. Over here we have paid by using the Shippy Pro, so the price will be automatically taken. Now let's get into the backend where we can see the orders. Let's remove the confirmed one, and this is the one which we have created, and then you can see a shipping or the shipping method will be automatically taken. Now let's get into the delivery and let's validate this. So once you have validated, where you can see a tracking reference will be automatically taken, and you can see the same like label can be seen over here, and on this page you can see the tracking where it will lead you to the Shippy Pro, and then you can cancel it whenever you need, and you can see the cancel status, and we can send the same to the shipper again if needed. Okay, and then it will try take the new tracking references over here. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.